Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You open the app and bring up the keyboard. This is where the search starts. Once the Emoji keyboard is visible, tap the magnifying glass or search box to begin. If you're on desktop, click the emoji icon near the text field. Make sure to enable your emoji keyboard in device settings if it isn't available. This first step puts the emoji palette in front of you so you can quickly move from scanning to searching. You type a focus term like Easter or egg because search matches emoji names and keywords. This yields direct results faster. If nothing shows, try related words such as bunny, spring, or chocolate to surface variants. Make sure to glance at the people, nature, and activities categories too, since some Easter symbols live there. Once done, refine by trying singular versus plural words and common synonyms to reveal more. You tap an Easter-themed emoji to insert it into your message and check how it displays before sending. If the emoji is missing or appears as a box, make sure your app and device OS are updated because new emoji are added via system updates. If updates aren't possible, copy-paste the emoji from a trusted source or use a sticker pack as a reliable fallback. One troubleshooting tip: restart the app after an update to force the new emoji set to load.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.